Now, if I want to make a square plus b square the subject, right? I bring the 2ab over. This one, HCI boys must know, is a plus b bracket square minus 2ab. Last time, the older syllabus, it is very commonly asked, okay? But now, most schools has already taken it out. But sometimes you will still need. HCI boys, for sure, there's something about this that you will need. Okay, but what if it's a minus b square? So we know that a minus b square is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Remember just now, what is a square plus b square? Okay, then. A plus b square minus 2ab, right? Yeah. So if this guy is a plus b square minus 2b, you minus another 2ab, that means it will become minus 4ab. Can see the logic there? Okay, can see the logic there. So if you want to find out what is a minus b, there's only one way. Okay, it is equals to a plus b square minus 4ab, then you take the plus minus square root, either the positive one or the square root, or the negative one. Over here, write down. Okay, if a minus b is greater than 0, right, it's positive, right? If a minus b is greater than 0, then we use the positive square root one. Okay, if a minus b is lesser than 0, then we take the negative square root. So there will be two answers. Either you take the positive square root one or the negative square root one. Okay, yeah. VS sometimes, you know, some algebraic manipulation, you may still see it. Okay, Ken. So another very common thing now we are doing is called error analysis. That means I give you something that is wrong, right? Can you spot the thing that is wrong? Okay, 2x minus 4 bracket square is equals to, so these students write, this student write this. Yeah, there are actually two mistakes. The first mistake is number one, the 2x must bracket square, right now. Then minus 2a. The minus actually account for the negative 4 already. So that means the 4 don't need to have a negative, plus 4 square. So you should get equals to 4x squared minus 16x plus 16. Okay? So all these error and all these are wrong one. Wrong one. You can put a cross down there. All these are wrong one. Yeah. Next. 2x minus 4 bracket square. It seems logical that the 2 factorize outright. It seems logical that the 2 factorize outright. Yeah. So this one is also wrong one. So the correct one, it should be when you factorize out the 2 from a bracket square, right? You must have the square here. So that is equals to 4 bracket x minus 2 square. Okay, error analysis. Okay. So we also learned 3 algebraic rule: a plus b square, a minus b square, a square minus b square. Nobody tell you what is negative a square minus b square. This is also wrong. Okay, so negative 2x minus 4 bracket square, right, is the same as, during holiday I will talk about it. Sarah can remember. No. There's no more negative. Yeah, 2x plus 4. There's no more negative 2x plus 4. Oh, negative outside. Yeah, yes. But the negative outside must have the square. Must have the square. Yes. So negative 2x minus 4, the whole thing square, right, is equals to 2x plus 4 square. Next page, I will tell you why. Okay, you look at the sky, I'll tell you why, you know. Okay, so all these are called algebraic basics that you must be good at before we start the Sec 3. Okay, especially, yeah, all of you are in IP school. Okay, so yeah, this is what I say. If you have negative a minus b square is equals to a plus b the whole thing square. Why is it so? Because when you factorize out the negative 1, right, you must square it as well. So this is 3x plus 2 bracket square. When you factorize out the negative 1, many students will forget. When you factorize out the negative 1 from the square, they forget the square. Very common one. Okay, very common. So it's equals to negative 1 square positive. So that's why you're left with 3x plus 2 square. Okay. Any number in front. Children, are you okay? If I'm going too fast, let me know. The two of you at home. Okay. If I'm going too fast, let me know by your chat function. Okay. All right. Same thing. Okay. This one, my mistake. There's a typo. This square should be on the outside. Okay. This square should be on the outside. Okay. My mistake. Yep. Okay. So if you have square, same thing, be careful, -2 square, then 3x minus 2 square. Then this will be equals to 4 bracket 3x minus 2. Okay, can basic algebraic baselines that you must know. Yeah. Can okay. Next thing in this thing is called the quadratic formula. Some of you have learned at Sec 2. Most of you who done my bridge head start, then you already know already. So if you are given ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0, right? There's a quadratic formula. You learned before? Learned before in Sec 2. X equals to, you can watch my video? Yeah, right. The one that you missed. You haven't, right? This one is this year already. That is last year's things. Okay, negative b plus minus square root. Kevin, what's inside?
B square minus 4ac.
Very good. B square minus 4ac. And this is not given, not given. Over. Okay, algebraic baselines that you have to know. Okay, so if you have a quadratic equation like that, we must always, the quadratic equation must always be equals to 0. So 0 equals to 3x squared minus 11x plus 2. This is the standard of presenting. Your A is 3. Your B is negative 11. Your C is 2. Okay. The standard of presenting is x equals to negative 11. If you put 11 there, it's also fine. Plus minus square root of. Now b square you don't need to put. By right, you don't need to put negative 11 square. It's actually understood to be 11 square. Okay, but okay, because negative 11 square and 11 square they are the same. Minus 4, A is 3, C is 2, over 2 bracket 3. Okay, this is called the standard of presentation equals to 11 plus minus. Okay, you must use your calculator and key in 11 square minus 4 times 3 times 2. Janessa, key for me 11 square minus 4 times 3 times 2. 121 minus 24. So 96.
Minus 3.
Yeah?
97.
97. Janessa, is it 97?
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, I can hear you now. Over 6. Okay, this is the standard of presentation. You must use your calculator to key in whatever is inside the square root. Do not key the square root with your calculator. Next thing is, right, do not use your calculator to evaluate this. So now take out your calculator, or take out your scientific calculator and bring up. You use this? Is that? Yeah. Oh, yeah, okay. Yeah. Okay, take out your calculator. You all should know already. Okay. Do you use this or do you use a newer one? You use this. For those of you using 96, it's called mode 33. This one you should know what to do, right? You know what to do? Yeah. Mode, you know what to do? Yeah, you know what to do. Okay. So my calculator is, I don't know what. Write down what you are using. Mode what? For most of you, it's called mode 33. You're using what? Mode what? Mode 32. You? Sharp? No, the Canon one? Mode 43. Children, mode 33 or mode 522? Which one is yours?